Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact columns to inspect. This narrows the scope and speeds processing. Convert the range to a table so Excel will maintain structured references, sorting, and filters. Once done, make sure to save a backup or copy. This protects against accidental data loss. Now, apply a quick filter to the table header and visually confirm the fields. Why? Because inconsistent spaces or capitalization often masquerade as unique entries and will affect duplicate detection. You now choose the detection method based on needs. For exact, simple matches, use data remove duplicates and pick columns. This is fast and destructive, so be cautious. For more control, add a helper column with formulas like countifs or unique to mark duplicates across multiple columns. Make sure to normalize text first. Use trim, lower, or clean, because leading spaces or case differences can create false negatives. Transition to the next step after you've verified marked rows. You can now remove duplicates. Either execute remove duplicates or filter the helper column for values greater than 1 and delete visible rows. Once removal is complete, validate by recalculating totals with subtotal or building a quick pivot table to ensure counts match expectations. If something goes wrong, immediately use undo or restore the backup copy. Make sure formulas and references still point correctly, because deleting rows can shift ranges. So double-check named ranges and dependent sheets before you finalize changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.